Hello everyone, it's me again, Yukoi AI. Today I'm really happy because I have a new look, changed by Mr. Trong. If you think my channel is beautiful, please subscribe. Okay, Mr. Trong will try to create many good things for you. And back to today's main topic. In the previous video, I showed you how to register to use Elevenlabs and the features of Elevenlabs. Today I continue to expand on the details of the text voice creation feature and personalize your own voice. In this My Voice area, there are many voices pre-installed by Elevenlabs for you to choose from.
Where you're going because you might not get there.
Our distrust is very expensive.
You guys listen together.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
Our distrust is very expensive.
If you like the voice, select Use to start entering text for the AI to read. Here I will enter the opening text like this video for your reference.
Hello everyone, it's me again, Yukoi AI. Today I'm really happy because I have a new look, changed by Mr. Trong. If you think my channel is beautiful, please subscribe. Okay, Mr. Trong will try to create many good things for you.
Because Elevenlabs has a lot of reading voices, we sometimes forget, so here's a little tip. Go to the library and choose a reading voice according to styles such as animation, news, newsletters. Now I want to choose Thomas Luar voice to read throughout the next videos. I go to Add to Market so I can continue using it in the future. Then I go back to my voice and go to the community section to see if I have saved this voice so I can continue using it next time. Okay, saved, guys. Next I will show you how to personalize your voice. This means from just one recording file there will be your voice. Elevenlabs will analyze this sound, and from there when you enter any text, the sound emitted is also your sound. For the two items voice design and instant voice clone cannot create the same sound as our voice. Here, to personalize your voice, you will select the professional voice clone section. However, you need to use at least the creator package to use professional voice cloning. After you have upgraded, this area will be yellow and you can click on it. After that, we will learn instructions on how to create a standard, noise-free recording file. Create a voice clip for about 30 minutes using your phone or computer tool without noise. Then click this square to continue to the next step. Next, enter the name and language to create in these two tabs. Then you upload your sample voice. You can then enter your voice description into these tags. The next important step is to verify whether your voice matches the recorded voice or not. In this step, you will directly verify your voice with Elevenlabs. Then you click Start Recording to record. Then you click Start Recording to record faux text. That's it, guys. Then you will return to the My Voice section to check your duplicated audio. Please note that the system is now reporting the time the voice is being initiated faux text. For more than 2 hours, you can go to your email to confirm and use this voiced faux text. Then you just enter text to use as I initially instructed to enter text to create sound. Okay, this is the end of my video. To use this tool, please access the link I put in the description or comments. To register to use Elevenlabs, I made a tutorial video in the previous episode. The video link is in the description below. If you find this video useful, please give me a channel subscription button, like and share. Goodbye and see you again.